Welcome to our guide on braces, care and maintenance. First, it's crucial to clean your braces. After every meal, use a soft bristle brush and fluoride toothpaste. Flossing is equally important. Use a floss threader, or specialized braces to floss, to clean between wires and teeth. Using both floss and interdental brushes can create a comprehensive oral care routine, ensuring that all areas between teeth are effectively cleaned. Use mouthwash straight after brushing your teeth, or it'll wash away the concentrated fluoride in the toothpaste left on your teeth. Use mouthwash to protect teeth and gums. Water flosser is also an important part for dental health. Avoid hard, sticky foods to prevent damaging your braces. Opt for braces-friendly foods like soft fruits, yogurt and cooked vegetables. Lastly, protect your braces during physical activities with a custom mouth guard to prevent injuries. Follow these tips for proper braces, care and maintenance to ensure a healthy, beautiful smile.